Still digging through PDFs just to copy-paste email addresses? Let's fix that forever. In this video, I'll show you how to build an automation that finds every email address in your PDFs or scanned documents and exports them into structured data like JSON, CSV, Excel, or Google Sheets using Docker Horizon. No coding, no manual work, just clean email data on autopilot. You'll also get 25 euros in free credits to test it out for yourself. So let's get into it. First, sign up for free to Docker Horizon. The link is in the description. You'll enter your email address, set a password, and fill in some information like your company name, use case, and expected document volume. After that, your 25 euros in free credits will be waiting for you. Once you're in a dashboard, go to the left side, Project Settings, Services. Enable these two gems, Prompt Builder, which allows you to obtain information from documents using a prompt, and Flow Builder, which will be your automation friend from now on. With these two services enabled, you are ready to go. Let's start by creating your own prompt. On the left side of your screen, go to Prompt Builder and add a new prompt configuration. Let's name it, for example, Email from PDF. What you see now is the overview of your prompt configuration. On the left, you can drag and drop or select a file. Let's select a PDF file for testing. On the right, you can set up your prompt. You can start from scratch or choose a template. We have many templates for specific document types. For example, if you select the invoice template, you get multiple data fields with their own prompt, which you can edit, copy, or delete. Find a template that works best for you or start from scratch. In this case, we want only the email address from any PDF file, so let's start from scratch. Add general instructions, something like you are reading PDF documents to find the email address. Then add the prompt for the data field required. Name it email address. Type text and then the prompt question. Think about just like talking to any other AI chatbot. What is the email address on the document? Lastly, enable image mode if you are processing images. Click Create and your prompt configuration is ready to use. Let's preview the results, and just like that, your email address is extracted. Now let's automate it so you don't have to lift a finger ever again. Click Save and go to the Flow Builder to build your automation. Head over to Flow Builder, New Flow, start from scratch. Name it Extract Emails from PDFs. As the trigger, use Google Drive, New File. This means your flow starts anytime you drop a PDF into a chosen folder. You can use any drive, email, database, or any data management tool. Connect your Google Drive, pick a folder, and enable Include File Content. Test this step. Make sure you have a sample document in your folder for testing. Next, add Document Capture. Click the plus button and select Document Capture Prompt Builder. Connect to Docker Horizon, select your prompt configuration, Email from PDF. For the file or URL, open New File and insert content. Then run a test to make sure it detects the email addresses. Now let's save the results. Add another component. This can also be CSV, Google Sheet, or any other application you are using. Now we are going to use Google Drive. Search Google Drive, create new file. Configure it like this. File name, email, and add.json if you want it as a JSON file. Text is the data you want to include within the file, which in this case is the email address. Insert email. Content type, you can choose text, CSV if you want to export from Google Sheets, or Excel or XML. Parent folder, select where to store your results and test this step. And that's it. This is how you can extract email addresses from PDF with Docker Horizon. If you work with lead generation, CRM applications, email validation workflows, inbox to database automation, Clipper Docker Horizon is your best solution to extract email addresses from PDF. Quickly, accurately, and without any code. Try it yourself. Use the link below to sign up and get your 25 euros in free credits. If you're handling a high document volume or want a tailored setup, book a free demo and the team will help you build it fast. Like this tutorial? Hit like and subscribe and let me know what information you need to extract from your PDF files. See you next time.